Hey Travis, I got an idea. If you put one on, Jordan can pick up the ones that fell down and bring them to you.
Yeah. That's a great idea.
All right, pick one up and give it to Travis. There you go, JoJo. Wow, nice shot. All right, give one to Travis, JoJo. Oh,
Travis.
Well, sort of. Nice job, Travis. Jordan, giving it to him.
There. You see the moon? Cool. Put a rocket on the moon, buddy.
They'll never put a rocket on the moon.
Whoa! Nikki was motivated by that.
I think that was working.
That was a motivator.
Yeah, that's a motivator. Awesome. This one's yours, right, Dada?
We'll hold these.
I thought I was yours.
There you go, Jordan.
That was a motivator.
Good trying. You did it.
Good job, JoJo.
You right? There you go.
Wow! Are you getting really good at that,
Yeah,
baby?
that was a great jump, buddy.
Rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher. Jordan's really excited.
Whoa! Hey, Travis, will you let Jordan put one on, please? Jordan, you want to put one on, JoJo? Want to do it? There you go, all the way down. You're doing it. You're getting it.
Hey, Travis, why don't you let Mr. Nate stomp on one?
Go for it, baby. Whoa! Whoa, you almost got bonked by that one.
Let Mr. Nate stomp on one, buddy.
Yeah? Is that cool? Could you put it on for me?
All right.
Okay, you ready? Whoa!
Hey, Jordan, you want to put it on there?
I'm just
Okay, you do it. Your sister gets the next one. I smell more poopy, girlfriend. Is that you?
Whoa!